Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on a bathing suit haul. I haven't done this on my channel, so I'm excited to show you a few new bathing suits that I just bought. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Please subscribe if you haven't already and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. You know the drill. Now let's get started. Today's gonna be a super quick video. I just wanted to show you guys that I got a couple of bathing suits on sale from this website, and this website is Zaful.com. It's Zaful.com. So I will link everything down below so you guys can check it out. They usually have great sales. I actually came across this on Facebook and I was kind of iffy about it. But I went ahead because I read the reviews and I saw pictures that people have posted on the website. So I was like, let me give it a chance. They said that the bathing suits were worth it for the price, that they were good material and things like that. So I was like, let me just go ahead because they were having a great sale. They do have many sales. I know that I've been getting emails back to back that they have a sale and this and that. So I'm pretty sure there's still some sale going on right now on the website. I got a couple of bathing suits because I haven't really bought any bathing suits since I had my first child, and she's 4 years old now. So yeah, I haven't really bought any bikinis or anything like that that's nice. I've only bought like mommy, bathing suits and stuff like that because I was kind of, a little bit overwhelmed or whatever it's called because of my body. I did gain a lot of weight for my first pregnancy. I went up to 160, which is a lot for me because I've always been like in the 120s. So yeah, that was a lot for me, gaining 40 pounds. I did stay with the weight for almost a year after, or a year and a half after, and then I got pregnant again. So yeah, I've been battling with this weight, and then now I've lost a whole bunch of weight because with my second pregnancy, I got really sick most of the pregnancies. I had the morning sickness and then I had some teeth problems. I wasn't eating that much, I guess, just enough for my daughter, and my body got sucked in. So yeah, I lost a lot of weight in my second pregnancy. So in the first pregnancy I was too big, and then the second one I was too small. So now I'm at a weight that I think I feel comfortable. Some people say I'm too skinny, some people don't like it, but if you know me well, you know that I've always been super skinny. I'm used to it, but I guess people like the weight on me. But that wasn't comfortable for me. So I like the way I am right now. Maybe I could gain a little bit of pounds, but I'm comfy. I can move, I can breathe. With the weight, I felt like I couldn't breathe. Moving on, let's get into the bathing suit. I want to say it doesn't matter. Just be positive, and if you want to lose weight, work on it. If you want to gain weight, work on it. But as long as you are happy, that's all that matters. I did buy two bikinis this time. The first one is this one, and I think this one was $8.99, something like that, for both pieces. I will link the prices here because I don't have them right now, and I actually don't have any Wi-Fi right now. I'm recording, but I don't have any Wi-Fi, so I can't check the prices, but I will link them here for you guys. It's this two-piece snake skin bathing suit, and I love it. I'm obsessed. I tried it on and I'm super obsessed. It's a size small, and I was iffy because on the bottom I still do have a lower side, like my hips and my booty are kind of still big. I've always had that area big, so I was kind of iffy of getting a small, but it actually fits. I'm super glad that I actually got a small. So it looks like this, and this is the front and this is the back. It's more like a triangle bikini. This is like what's in style now, so it doesn't show your whole butt. It shows your cheeks. So yeah, it's a cheeky bathing suit. Top, it has padding because I don't have that much up here, so it does have padding, and it does have underwire because I want a little boost in my breast. So yeah, I love the material, and the top fits great as well. Some bathing suits you can't do this. You can't actually make it tighter or less tight. So yeah, I'm glad that I can do that as well because I needed it to tighten a little bit. It actually clips on the back as well. like that, and it looks perfect. I'm very excited. I love this color. This is actually more of a yellowish lime green or lime yellow. If you know me, you know that I always buy lime green or lime yellow. That's my favorite color, but other than that, I just love it in the summer. It looks great, and when you have a tan on, it looks even better. Always worn lime green or lime yellow bathing suits. I have so many, so I'm just adding more lime yellow to my collection. I just love it. Then I bought another one. I bought this one, and this one's also a very cheeky. It shows your booties a lot, but I like it as well. It's lime green. It's a size small, and I love it. I have, like, honestly like 3 more bathing suits this color that don't fit me anymore, because that's when I had a little more weight on me. So, you know, I had to rack up on the same color, but different styles. And then the top is more like a sports bra. This one's more like a comfy when I want to be laid back and I don't want to look sexy. So yeah, I mean, it's still sexy, but you know, like, you know, I'm still comfy. So it's more like a sports bra, and yeah, it fits perfect as well. I love the color. It looks great on me. I can't wait to wear this in the summer. It was super cheap, super inexpensive. Usually I get my bathing suits from Target. For a 2-piece, it's like $20. It's like $10 or maybe $13 for each you know, piece. And then of course I do have daughters, so I do like to wear a 1-piece when I'm with them, or you know, look like a mom. So I bought this cute one, and this one I think was $7.99. So look at this. This is a 1-piece, and it's beautiful. I love the color. It's like neon orange. I love the pattern of it. It's just so cute. Very boho. I love boho stuff. The back I'm loving, because it's like a very deep in the back, so it's still sexy, but you're still covering a lot of your body. The size small, again, it's kind of tight on me because I am not that tall, but I am kind of tall for small 1-pieces. I'm 5'5". Rompers and bathing suits like this kind of fit small for my body just because I'm 5'5". But if I don't buy it small, then right now at my weight, then it'll be big. So yeah, maybe I should have gone with a medium, but I think I can make it work with this small. It has padding as well on the breast. Just love it. I can't wait to wear it and look cute with my girls and take pictures with my girls whenever I go to the beach or whatever. And like I said, this one was the least expensive one, and it's just so beautiful. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. And this one, I know it was $7.99, so yeah, you can't beat that price for a bathing suit. And that's the last of it for the bathing suits. I only bought 3 bathing suits. I only have 1 body, and I don't think I need that much bathing suits. And also, if I do gain the weight, then these were super inexpensive and I can just toss them out and it won't hurt me. In order to get free shipping, I forgot how much the shipping was. I will link that here as well to let you know. In order to get free shipping, I had to add 1 more thing, and I didn't want to buy another bathing suit because I think 3 is enough. So I just went and bought this dress. It's very, very sexy. I think it was just so cute. I love the color of it as well. It's like in the neon trend. It shows my stomach, and it's like half or 1 sleeve or a cross, whatever that's called. Then it's like roughly on the sides. I love the way it fits. It fits super nice. It fits my body tight, goes off my little curves. I'm so excited to wear this in the summer wherever I go. I don't know where I'm going, but yeah. I got this for super cheap as well. So wanted to say that I am starting to dress, you know, showing off my body a little more, just because I was a little afraid to show, like, wear crop tops. I'm not trying to say that I'm gonna, you know, show my whole body and be naked, but no, like, wear crop tops and, you know, wear shorts and things like that. Because I kind of, once I gave birth to my daughter, I hid myself. And this summer I said I was gonna show off more, just because I'm almost 30 years old, and you know, I'm only getting older and I'm still young, so why not show a little bit of skin and enjoy myself? Be happy with my body and be happy with myself. That's why I also bought this dress. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this video very quickly and show you guys these bathing suits. So in case you were looking for bathing suits for cheap ones, didn't know where to purchase them, so you could check this website out. Go buy your bathing suits because summer is right around the corner, and the bathing suits only get more expensive as you get closer to summer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you found out about an awesome website and about awesome bathing suits. I'll see you next time.